Hey there. We're going to talk about how I'm going to get into a weekly trade and exactly what I got into this week. Right now, I'm looking here at Dollar General. And what I do here is I try to make a trade at the end of the week on a Friday. And so I've been watching this. I've had this on my list for a while. And the reason why I had it on my list is because we had a nice downward move that got broken out right here. Okay, you can see that breakout. Then we've been consolidating. Okay, so that's step one. That's reason number one. Then the second reason is because we have our bullish bias here with OVI, right? This is the OVI indicator, which is this blue indicator has gone very high positive here. And then that is the second reason. Okay. Then next reason here is I'm looking at consolidation. And so this consolidation here has been going on for a long time. You can see we had a nice move up and we have not given the gains back. When you see a break like this, sometimes it's a fake out, especially in a downtrend like this. Okay, because you can see previously that happened. We had the downtrend, and then finally it gave away. And so that could be the case here as well. However, there's a couple key differences. Um, One of the big ones here is we got this positive volume spike down here. So that's another one that I'm looking at. Whenever I'm trying to do a weekly trade, I'm trying to get as many clues as I possibly can, right? As many clues as possible. Now, uh, with the way things are here, I've been getting a lot of clues. And so now, right now, you can see we're going sideways, 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 sideways. And when I say that um, there was a little difference here, and that was this daily candle. Okay. Now, this daily, let me draw another line. This daily candle actually popped out above this channel. Okay. And it came back into the channel, right? However, um, that to me on that breakout, that's when I'm starting to think about going long. So that was my trigger, was this. But I didn't actually enter yet because, for one, I like to enter at the end of the week. So after that happened, I've got my weekly chart and I enter the trade at the end of the day. So we had a pullback and now we've got this price action here where price came back, right? Price came back. And that was my entry at the end of the day. I want to show you my weekly options spreadsheet that I'm running because I'm going to start trying to do this every Friday, and that's my goal. And so let me pull up my spreadsheet, and here we go. So we got Roblox as I'm currently in Roblox right now, and Roblox doing pretty well. And that's really good that Roblox is doing pretty well. What you want to also notice here is that when I say Roblox is doing pretty well, I got in at 685, but right now it's currently trading at 783. Okay. And I got in at DG today, right at the close at $7. And so I'm going to be updating each week, giving you guys a quick update here on how the trades are going. And of course, as I do these presentations and show up here with everybody, if you guys have any questions, you can always let me know in the comment or in the chat. But I'm going to be posting this, right? And we're going to be keeping track of our results. And so right now, like I said, Roblox, I got in at 685 and it's currently trading at about 783. So I'm about $1 in profit on the option. And since I took one option, that's about $100 in profit right now. So pretty good trade right now. As I close them out, though, I'm going to be posting the results each week. And so I'm going to be trying to take a different trade each week. I missed a week there, but primarily I'm going to be using that tipping point software that I mentioned this tipping point stock software to be getting my entries. And if you're interested in this software, it's pretty cool. It's got the OVI indicator here. It's got these key levels. And it has, I mean, there's just a ton of things here. It's got a call put ratio, which I really like. It has a journal, which we can add as I want to do something. I can create a trading plan. I can add a note. And I have the spreadsheet that I'm using that I'm sharing for that as well. And so, yeah. And I had already done a video earlier, if you check my YouTube channel, talking about the Roblox trade that I'm in. But so I know there's only so much you can talk about when you're doing weekly charts, right? In one trade a week. But one of the things I want you to really understand is just the power of weekly charts, how amazing it is to use a weekly chart and how successful you can be, how much money you can make only taking one trade a week, only spending a very little bit of time trading. And so we're going to, as we develop over these 52 weeks, it's going to be interesting to see how much money we make. And I'm going to be curious myself because I haven't done anything like this. And I'm going to be curious to see if you guys have any comments on what you think. But we're going to see our win rate. We're going to see all that fun stuff as time goes on. So I hope you're going to enjoy this series, but it's going to be fun. I'm excited about it. And I am very thankful for your feedback and comments. All right. Well, that's it. We'll talk to you guys